All right, taking a look at this 1949 GMC truck. This is a frame-off built truck, S10 chassis that was blasted and coated, new lines, new brakes, new suspension, crate 350 engine, rebuilt 350 trans, new gears and a posi rear end. Truck is just a fantastic driver. Got this exhaust coming out the running boards there. Killer patina style paint, tinted glass, all new glass, new latches, close real nice, doors open and close real nice, tinted glass. I love we kept the original steering wheel, has the low car shifter, new gauges, floor was replaced. Just a really nice job on this truck. AC, heat, wipers do work, I just don't have the arms on. Sounds fantastic. Truck fires right up, runs good. Low miles since it's been together. Take a look under the hood. Power brakes, power steering, like I said, crate engine, air conditioning, heat, really everything you want. Really a nicely built truck. Kind of a no expense spare. Builder was not planning on selling it. Things change. Life changes. And here it is. Really fun truck to drive.